What should you eat at night to build muscle effectively and wake up stronger than the day before? The key to muscle growth is proper nutrition, and what you consume before bed plays a crucial role in recovery, repair, and overall strength gains. Muscles need a steady supply of protein, slow-digesting carbohydrates, and healthy fats to maintain growth and prevent breakdown during sleep. Sleep itself is when the body undergoes most of its recovery, and without the right nutrients, your body may enter a catabolic state, breaking down muscle instead of building it. Choosing the right foods to eat before bed ensures that your body remains in an anabolic, muscle-building state, allowing you to maximize the benefits of your workouts and promote sustained muscle development overnight. One of the best foods to eat at night for muscle growth is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles for several hours. Since your body will be fasting overnight, consuming casein protein before bed helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports recovery. Greek yogurt is another fantastic choice because it also contains casein protein along with probiotics, which support gut health. A healthy digestive system is important for nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body gets the most out of the food you consume throughout the day. Eggs are another excellent source of high-quality protein and healthy fats that can support muscle growth. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source that helps repair and build muscle tissue while you sleep. If you're looking for a lean protein source to eat before bed, chicken breast is a classic choice. Chicken is packed with high-quality protein and low in fat, making it an excellent option for muscle repair. Consuming grilled or baked chicken breast with a small portion of slow-digesting carbohydrates before bed can provide your muscles with the necessary nutrients to grow overnight. Salmon is another fantastic protein option, offering the added benefit of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, improve recovery, and even enhance muscle protein synthesis. The combination of protein and omega-3s makes salmon one of the best nighttime foods for bodybuilders and athletes alike. Lean beef is another excellent source of protein, as well as iron and creatine, both of which support muscle function and energy production. A small portion of lean beef before bed can ensure that your muscles are fueled with the necessary nutrients to recover and grow while you sleep. For those who prefer plant-based sources of protein, tofu is an excellent option. Tofu contains all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. It's also rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps relax muscles and promotes restful sleep. Similarly, almonds are a great plant-based snack before bed. They provide a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and magnesium, which can aid in muscle relaxation and recovery. Peanut butter is another great option for healthy fats and protein. It contains arginine, an amino acid that promotes blood flow and muscle growth. Eating a spoonful of peanut butter with a slow-digesting carbohydrate before bed can help maintain muscle mass while you sleep. Avocados are another excellent food to eat at night for muscle building. They are packed with monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber, which help keep you full and support muscle function. The high potassium content in avocados helps prevent muscle cramps, ensuring that you wake up feeling refreshed and recovered. Chia seeds are another great option because they provide a good source of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting muscle repair, making chia seeds an ideal addition to your nighttime routine. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Slow-digesting carbohydrates are also important for muscle growth because they provide a steady source of energy throughout the night. Oatmeal is one of the best choices since it contains complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly. A small bowl of oatmeal with a protein source like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese can be a perfect nighttime meal for muscle building. Sweet potatoes are another excellent slow-digesting carbohydrate that supports muscle recovery. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that aid in muscle function and overall health. Quinoa is another great carbohydrate source because it is also high in protein, making it a complete food for muscle growth. Unlike other grains, quinoa contains all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair, making it a valuable addition to a nighttime muscle-building meal. If you prefer to drink your nutrients before bed, a casein protein shake is one of the best options. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that provides your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein protein takes several hours to break down, making it the perfect protein source before bed. Mixing a scoop of casein protein with milk or almond milk can create a delicious and effective nighttime muscle-building shake. Consuming a balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and slow-digesting carbohydrates before bed can significantly improve muscle recovery and growth. Your body needs a constant supply of amino acids to repair and build muscle, and the right food choices ensure that you wake up feeling stronger and more energized. Eating the right foods before bed can also help regulate hormone levels, prevent muscle breakdown, and support a restful night's sleep, all of which are essential for maximizing muscle gains. The key is to choose foods that provide long-lasting energy and slow-digesting protein to keep your body in an anabolic state overnight. Whether you prefer whole foods like eggs, chicken, salmon, or plant-based options like tofu and quinoa, incorporating these muscle-building foods into your nighttime routine can help you achieve your fitness goals faster. The next time you're planning your nighttime meal, consider incorporating one or more of these foods to ensure that your muscles get the nutrients they need to grow while you sleep. Muscle growth doesn't just happen in the gym. It happens during recovery, and proper nutrition is a crucial part of the process. By fueling your body with high-quality proteins, healthy fats, and slow-digesting carbohydrates before bed, you can maximize muscle repair, improve recovery, and set yourself up for success in your fitness journey. No matter your dietary preferences, there are plenty of great options available to ensure that your muscles continue to grow and strengthen even while you rest. Make smart food choices before bed, and you'll see the results in your muscle size, strength, and overall performance over time. If you found this information helpful, be sure to smash that like button and show some love. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more expert muscle building tips, workout hacks, and fitness motivation. Plus, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more powerful content coming your way. Stay consistent, stay strong, and keep pushing toward your goals. Also, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite nighttime muscle-building meal, your go-to post-workout snack, or any fitness challenge you'd love to see next. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other on this journey to getting stronger every day. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.